Hello friends, this is Sai Fernandra from SQL School and a short session regarding our very useful technically, practically step-by-step Snowflake classes. In this short session, we are going to understand what is database, what is warehouse, what is cloud and what is cloud computing and where the Snowflake stands in big data picture. How to step into Snowflake. What is database? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. And this Snowflake is a data warehousing component. Database to store live real-time data. Warehouse to store cold, historical, aggregated data. There comes Snowflake. Snowflake is used to go down our data, to store our old, historical, inactive data for easy, faster, accurate end user analysis. Snowflake can be used by any company, any agency, any platform. Rich, colorful activities right from data storage to automated maintenance. And here comes our actual course. Step into SQL first. Learn Microsoft SQL or any SQL. Get it carefully. Then learn Snowflake. Step 3, for experienced profiles to make our learning process more valuable, to get our resume ready for at least next few years down the line, Azure Data Engineering on top of Snowflake. Now the question, why? Why? Remember, Snowflake and Azure are good friends. Let me take the friendship practically on my screen in a quick, simple way. If you go to snowflake.com and you try to create an account, okay, you try to register for Snowflake account, then it will ask you for some registration information. You supply all the things and there comes the actual magic. Azure. Snowflake depends on Azure. Why? Because Snowflake do not have its own storage. By default, Snowflake depends on Azure, AWS or Google Cloud Storage. One of these. And we are into Microsoft Azure with Snowflake blended together, combined together. They give us a better resume in a meaningful way. Snowflake is into warehousing with Python, ETL and SQL. Don't worry, we will take it from scratch. I would be one of the trainers for Snowflake, and we have another trainer, Mr. Gunasekaran, who has been with us for more than a decade. I repeat, more than a decade. Yes, we have been providing these trainings for more than 19 years. By God's grace, we are successfully winning the hearts of our previous participants for our quality, step-by-step practice activities. Trust me, everything would be to the fingertip in a simple, straightforward, practical way. Either me or Mr. Gunasekaran for Snowflake. For Azure Data Engineering and SQL, I would be the only one. I would be the caretaker. Azure Data Engineering is all into Data Factory, Databricks, Spark SQL, PySpark with open source and Microsoft warehousing platforms. If you blend these items together, a better resume. Trust me. With this short session, yes, you may ask me, Sai, what we are going to learn in our classes? Yes, in our Snowflake classes, complete practice-oriented sessions from scratch, right from the basics to end-to-end project work. You take Snowflake module, one project. data engineer with Snowflake, 2 projects. Because at the end of the day, the end-to-end implementations are very important for us, and recruiters are looking for it. With this information, we stop for now. I tried my best to make it clear in this short session, very short session. Further clarifications or questions, please do reach me on my number or reach our team for a live demo session, and we'll take it from there. Thank you so much and see you soon in our live classes. Happy learning and see you soon once again. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.